What's going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy DS Dead. I'm back again with another video for you guys. Got the Air Jordan 13 olives on deck. I'm gonna get into a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. Y'all know how I do. Big shout outs to J&M Sneakers, always coming through for your boy. Or J&M Sneakers information will be in the description, so you know, definitely go check them out. This shoe, I thought it was gonna be leather. You know, when I got them in hand, they're not leather, man. The whole shoe got this like nice suede on it. Kind of got that ashy look. The olive kind of doesn't look olivey too much. It's got that olive look, but it kind of looks brown in some kind of, in some lighting. Y'all know how I do. Let's start off with the box. For all you box heads out there, take a look. Typical Jordan 13 OG box, like they've been giving us. These released on January the 20th. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 13 Retro. The colorway is black, gem red, light olive. Retails $190. Inside the box just comes your regular white paper. Y'all already know. Boom! Take a look at these babies right here. Now, off the jump, you can see when I rub it, it does got a nice little, you know, it changes a little bit. But all around, I want to say that the material feels really nice. Olive does look dope. I like them. I like them. I think they nice, you know what I'm saying? I have a feeling these are going to sit hard. You know, just the suede, man. It kind of would have been better leather, in my opinion. It would have been dope if it was leather with the olive. But what can you do? I'm here to give you guys this review and this on feet, so let you guys see what they look like and let me know what you guys think at the end of the video. You can see up here where the holes are, you got a suede up here and it's all black, as you can see. You got your hologram right there, of course, and of course over here on the midsole, that olive, and it's in that suede or nubuck, whatever you want to call it. You got your Jordan right there in the red. Black laces going up on the tongue. You got your red Jumpman on the tongue stitched in. Take a look at the medial side of the shoe, same as the lateral. Got your black on the upper with your olive. Olive on the midsole. Only thing that's bothering me a lot about this shoe, like this shoe got a lot of glue marks. Look at that. Just crazy, man. Back, just got the hits of the olive back there and that nice nubuck material. Inside, you got the red Jumpman inside. Black inner sole, sock liner in black or blacked out. Bottom of the shoe, your carbon fiber plate. You got your hologram in the red right there with the black Jumpman. But yeah, man, let's get into this on feet. We got the Air Jordan 13 olives on deck. Man, hope you guys enjoy. It's your boy DS Dead, and I'm gone.
Audio Jungle.